we are going to start up classes. Here we can remember some tips from the last class. What's about HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Hypertext, which is the word which links to the document. Markup creates a web page. Language, which is a communicative agent for the program and a system with the web page. For example, a code with a tag, HTML tag, responds to the web pages. The hypertext link up documents. Markup will say what the page would be. The HTML is used to create a web page and how the pages look like. For example, the HTML is the backbone of the web program, because without HTML we can't do anything. Let's start our HTML programming. For starting these programming languages, we have some tips to start. First is adding headings. This is the first heading we are going to start. What's about heading? Heading is the main theme of the web page, which says about what the content is. Before we are going to start, every HTMLs are composed of tags. For example, headings. For headings, we are using open tag and a close tag. Every element consists of an open tag and a close tag. Open tags with a greater symbol and a lesser symbol. We have many tags to learn easily. I have numbered it. Headings. There are 6 types of headings. For example, these headings consist of 6 types. That is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These headings varies by their pixels. For example, H1 will be the bigger one and the H2 will be the smaller one. The main heading is given by H1 and these subheadings will be given by H6. Nearly it starts from H3 to H6. The search engine uses the headings to access the structure and the content of the web page. For example, what the content says, for example, the dog is said in the content. If we text the dog, then our web page will be access to the headings. Rules are that main heading will be given as H1 and the least heading will be the 6. I have said already, that is subheadings will be given as H6 to H3 to H6 and main head will be H1 or H2, that would be. And correspondingly we are doing some heading tags also. For input of the program, we are giving some program that is called as H1 open tag and a STUDYHUB with a close tag. The close tag will be given as the / with H1. The STUDYHUB will be the output of the H1 in pixels. For example, the STUDYHUB with a 120 pixels will be the output of the program. This says what the content of the page would be and what the page says about everything will be the output of this. And seeing some other ways, the second part is that heading, adding images to the web pages. What's the image? Image which can improve your web page and the content. Every pages consists of images to attract the peoples what the web page of the content is based on. Starting your tag image. Image is compressed of MIG. This is an element tag of image. This starts with an open tag and a close tag. In that close tag, the rest will be what the link base, what the alt base, and what the article says. The next step, you need to give the source for the link the image. Source. The source which links the image, what the web page of the image should be. And here in the HTML source will be called as SRC. The source will be compressed with SR and C, which says that to the web page, that is I am giving a source to the image. The program would be the image src is equal to the link I am using is URL, which is taken from any other network or a web page or a YouTube channel or images or GIF or a PDF. Anything would be given here, it will be corresponding to it. src is an attribute specifies URL. These are the attributes. There are some more attributes which are coming under the image element or a element of others of HTML. Now we are going to learn a new attribute which are used in image. That is not much responsible for an image. For a programmer to read what the image consists of, it gives the alternative text to the image, which says the image of the content is about the example, which would not be shown in the web page, but for viewing the program we can clearly know that the URL is the content based one. You can understand similarly, that is it's easy to do in image programming. And for example, image src is equal to the GIF you are going to do, and the alt, the flower is rose in color. The output will be given as that the rose in color flower will be the output. So you are describing the link of the image. For example, the output will be the rose, like this. It's a rose and rose in color. So the content will be the alt attribute says that there is a rose in the content of the URL. There are some notes for the HTML tags. Today our class we say some image tag. So we are going to start with image tag. Image tag defines a image. Map is that we are using that element to map the image, and area, that is an element which is clickable area inside the image map. So for example, the image have a link on the image itself. If you click in the image, it would be produced in the other tabs or a same tab. Picture defines a content for the multiple image resources, which says the picture would be in a multiple resource. Second on is the image tag with an image. Today we have learned about the image. It's easy to do for the basic programmers. And source attribute, which is src, which links the image with the image tag, which would be the output of the image. Alt attribute, alt, if we, as we are using alt, we can produce that the programmer can view the content. And don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Please click the bell button to get the instant updates. Bye guys.